Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford F-150 AC not cooling issue and the possible causes behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. AC not cooling in the Ford F-150 is commonly described as warm air coming from the vents, weak cooling performance, or the air conditioner working intermittently. Verified owner reports and service information show that AC cooling concerns have been reported across multiple Ford F-150 model years and generations, with causes varying based on AC system design, engine configuration, mileage, and maintenance history. One verified and frequently reported cause involves low refrigerant levels. Refrigerant can leak over time from hoses, seals, or fittings, reducing the system's ability to cool properly. Low refrigerant is one of the most common reasons for poor AC performance. Another confirmed cause relates to compressor-related issues. A failing AC compressor or compressor clutch may not engage consistently, preventing the system from circulating refrigerant effectively. Owners often report intermittent cooling before complete failure. Condenser-related problems are also documented factors. A blocked or damaged condenser can reduce heat dissipation, especially in trucks used in dusty environments or for towing. This can result in warm air even when the system is charged. Electrical or control system issues have also been reported. Faulty pressure switches, sensors, or control modules may prevent the AC system from operating correctly, even when mechanical components are functional. Cooling fan operation is another verified consideration. If engine or condenser cooling fans do not operate properly, refrigerant pressures may rise and cause the AC system to reduce or stop cooling, particularly at idle or low speeds. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include blend door actuator issues, internal evaporator restrictions, or software-related control behavior. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include checking refrigerant level and leak testing, inspecting compressor and clutch operation, cleaning or replacing the condenser, testing electrical controls and sensors, and verifying cooling fan function. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford F-150 AC not cooling complaints are resolved through refrigerant service or compressor-related repairs rather than full AC system replacement. However, experiences vary by model year, engine type, and vehicle usage. In conclusion, Ford F-150 AC not cooling is typically linked to low refrigerant, compressor problems, condenser airflow issues, or electrical control faults. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.